Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix TenTen app not loading error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all, you should try restarting your iPhone device or Android device if you haven't already and see if it fixes your problem. The second thing you can do is force reset your iPhone or Android device. So if you are on an iPhone, you just have to push your volume up button and the lock screen, and it will open a lock screen kind of screen. Then you just have to press on X and unlock your phone once again, and this should reset your phone, and by doing this your phone should work. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is offload your app. If you are on an iOS device, you can just offload it. I forgot how to do it, but it's really simple. You can Google it. If you are on an Android device, you can delete the cache of this application. However, if it all of doesn't work, what you can do is go to your app store, iOS app store or Google Play Store, search for TenTen app and see if there is an update that's available for this application, and you should try updating this application and see if it works. So yeah guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.